Assalamualaikum students. Today we will see how topsoil get lost. Look at this picture. Basically this is a picture of flood of July 2010 in Pakistan. It caused due to heavy monsoon rainfall and affected almost whole country. Due to this, the fertile topsoil was destroyed or vanishes by heavy rainfall and due to fast flowing speed of water. The rich topsoil get lost and sediment settles on the surface. Basically, sediments are solid materials containing hard rocks and minerals and cannot hold water. That's why this type of soil or sediments cannot support the plant growth. The next topic is beautiful rocks. Basically, these rocks have been for millions of years. They have contributed to the beauty of the earth. The question is that, is man improving what nature has given us? The answer is that no, because man is not improving what nature has given us. For example, nature has given us plants, but man is constantly cutting them for his benefit. In return, destroying the oxygen level of environment that is necessary for all living organisms. Nature also gives us water and land, but man is polluting these resources by misusing the non-renewable resources like oil and gas and causing pollution at one hand and shortage of these resources at the other hand. Now we are going to solve exercise. Question 1. Choose the correct answer. And the statement number 1 is, which type of soil feels sticky when wet? Option A, sand. Option B, silt. Option C, clay. D, none of these. Basically, the silt soil and clay soil, both of them are sticky. But the best option is clay, because clay is more sticky than silt soil. So we'll choose option C. The next statement, the texture of soil depends on the moisture in the air, the color of the soil, its mineral content, and the last option D, the size of its particle. Basically, the size of soil particles describe the texture of a soil. So the correct answer is option D. Which one of the following soils has the largest grains, means particles, and feels rough? Option A, silt. B, none of them. Option C, sand, or option D, clay. Basically, the sand soil particles are much larger than silt and clay soil, and the appearance of the sand particles are very rough. What is sediment? Water flowing into the sea, or a type of rock that is eroded, means breakdown by the sea, crops that have been flooded, small piece of rock and soil that are carried along and deposited by rivers. Option D is the correct answer of this statement. The best soil for growing a plant is option A, clay, option B, silt, option C, sand, option D, rocks. Basically, option B is the correct answer of this statement. Silt is the best choice for the plant growth. The question number 2 is, write T by the statements which are true and F by those which are false. Statement 1, the topsoil contains solid rocks. False. This statement is false. The second layer of the soil is known as bedrock. False. The second layer of the soil is subsoil. The texture of silt is smooth and silky. This statement is true. Living organisms destroy the soil's quality. This statement is also false. Silt is the best soil for growing plants. This statement is true. The best soil for growing a plant is silt. Again, the last statement is, only insects make their home in the soil. This is the false statement, because not only insects live in the soil, but other animals, for example rabbit and worms like millipede, centipede, also live in the soil. Thank you for listening.